Welcome. In this video, you will hear 4 questions spoken in English. Each question will be followed by 3 responses, also spoken in English. The question and the responses will be spoken just one time. They will not be written, so you must listen carefully to understand what the speakers say.
Question number 1. Can you repair our television?
Response: A. It's unlikely, since the second one is lost. Response B. Yes, unless it breaks. Response C. At this rate, it would be less expensive to buy a new one.
Now, mark your answer, A, B, or C.
Question number 2. Do you know if this is iron or steel?
Response A. I believe it's a little bit both. Response B. I have not stolen your iron box. Response C. No, I have not seen neither of them.
Now, mark your answer, A, B, or C.
Question number 3. Would you mind handing me the salt?
Response A. I'd better not, I just washed my hand. Response B. With pleasure. Response C. No thanks, I'm trying to cut down on my salt.
Now, mark your answer, A, B, or C.
Question number 4. Where in France do you live?
Response A. We're very fond of French fries. Response B. Around 4 years ago. Response C. We have a cozy dwelling in the north.
Now, mark your answer, A, B, or C. Thank you for your answer. See you soon.